Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm here in my site and the construction is going on. As you can see that this is a very big site of area approximately 1900 square feet, and in this video I will be covering about the beam placement over this site, how the beam is designed and what is the size of the rod is used in order to understand in a better way. So as you can see, this site starting point and ending point. As you can see that man is standing over there, that is the starting point of this site. That is a balcony over it, and this is the ending point of the site. So you can, by seeing this particular area, you can understand that this is approximately 1900 square feet altogether. So I will just move my camera all around it so that you can understand the site area and what kind of construction is possible of area around 1900 square feet. So starting from the end, this is the end point of the site, and as you can see that the rod are placed over it. The rod is placed in such a way that rod also will give you the partition of a room as well as the partition of a kitchen or partition of a family lawn. This is how the rod is designed, and I can also understand by seeing the rod which particular wall will be coming on which particular beam. So let us start. So as you can see that this is the end point of the site. From end point there is a 16 mm rod placed at the corner, and after that there is another rod. This is called council beam. The size of the council beam is less than the normal beam, because this particular beam, when the construction will be done, when the construction will be over, this particular council beam will be get hidden inside the wall. So this is a area of a bathroom of room number 1 on the first floor and this is the bathroom number 2 for room number 2 in first floor. So both bathroom are adjacent to each other, and there is a safety tank below it. So all the passes of pipes and the plumbing things will be done at the base of this construction site. So let us start understanding about the another beam. So you can see that there is a big beam coming right from the end of the site over there, and this will go up to the front of the site where that person is, that pink color t-shirt person is standing over there. So let us understand in a better way. So as I have talked about the bathroom construction upon the beam, and this is the beam which is placed for a room which is constructed with bathroom. So the bathroom is attached with the room. Sorry for the disturbance, I have some cold. So coming to this particular area, as you can see that this particular area, right from this council beam number 2, this is the area of a room number 2. Similarly, the room number 1, which is adjacent to the room number 2, also have the same area, and both are adjacent to each other. So this is the wall of a room number 1. So near this area, as you can see that this is the area of a window, and this is the area where the door will be placed, and adjacent to this particular wall there will be another door for room number 2, and there will be another window at the corner of that particular wall. There will be another window, so the proper ventilation, the proper air will come. How it will come? As you can see that there is a space between this particular space is a space for open terrace. Open terrace means the air and the light will come from the up and it will get reflected inside the room. So this area is a open terrace. Coming to this point, as you can see that there is another council beam coming from the end, and it will go up to the last where that wall is there. So this council beam is a beam used for kitchen. As you can see that this is the council beam where the wall of a kitchen will be coming, and the wall of a kitchen will be starting from here. So this is a quite good area we have covered for designing a kitchen on the first floor. And I have already talked about this area. This is an area of an open terrace from where the sun, light and rain, everything will be coming over here. The proper slope will be made in order to take the water out from the top surface. So this is also an area for a open terrace. The person will be coming from here, they will be walking to room number 1, and same person will be walking inside the room number 2. So this particular area is also an open terrace, and with open terrace there is a duct constructed with this, because duct is used for passing of air and light through the room and through the kitchen, as well as for family lounge. Here the duct is over. This particular area which is adjacent to the room number 1, this is room number 1, this is room number 2, and this is room number 3 at the first floor. So when the room number 1 is over, you can see that the room number 1 is over there, and with that the toilet is attached over here. Room number 1 toilet is attached near to duct. Coming to this area, as I have already talked about, this particular area is used for family lounge. Okay, and this family lounge is an open area which is going through this open terrace and connected with room number 1, room number 2, and adjacent to that there is a kitchen on the first floor. So the design is made in a very systematic way, so that there will be no hindrance of light, there is no hindrance of air. The proper ventilation is being made on the first floor. So you can see from here how the design is being made, how the beam are placed. I have already talked about the partition of this particular site, how the partition of room, kitchen, family lounge is being done on the first floor. So you have understood. This is a duct number 1. As I've already talked about, there are 2 ducts in this building, duct number 1 and duct number 2 for passage of bathroom pipes, for electrical wiring and everything, for proper air ventilation. If you want to connect AC or anything, everything will be passing through this duct. So the placement of duct inside the building is very important in order to have a proper ventilation as well as air passage. Hope you have understood about this. Now coming to this particular point. Here the family this is the area of a family lounge, and this is the area of a kitchen. So now coming to the another point of this site. So this is the area where the room number 1 will be there, that is called master bedroom, and with this bedroom there will be a connected bathroom, and the person who is standing over there with a rod, that is a place for a balcony. This is balcony number 1, and this is where all the plywoods are placed. That is balcony number 2. That is balcony number 2, which is coming from the down. And this is the stair which is connected to the first floor. It will go up to the top and then it will get closed. So you have understand this particular site in a very precise manner, and this particular site construction with heavy construction of 1900 square feet with a 16 mm rod is very necessary in order to have a good strength and load transfer if you are building for a second floor or third floor. So this base construction is very important, very necessary in order to have good strength to the first floor as well as to the second floor. If in future if you want to build it another floor upon this, so this construction will bear a load of, you can say how much you want. So you can build a 5th floor, 6th floor upon this area. Why I have made this video, I let you understand, if you in future, if you're building a if you're constructing your house, you should design in this way, so that the value of this particular site, as well as the return uh, capital which is coming out from this particular site will be much higher if you are investing at a earlier stage. And if you are making construction, something like this will be really helpful to get the good return if in future, if you want to sell it, or if you want to do it anything. So I just recommend you, if you want to have a building construction, please go through this kind of construction. It will really give you a satisfaction, as well as a good strength and load transfer of entire building if you are constructing in near future. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have liked the videos. If you have liked, press like button. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.